So here's what you need to do if you drop your controller on the joystick like I did. You have to remove 8 screws, 2 of which are hidden under the pads. I'm going to show you this little piece that came off. It shot out. So here's where the screws are. Once you get it all taken apart, this is what it looks like. Not much to it. And then you have to pry these little pads up and unscrew the 2 screws under there. Here's where that piece came off of. It actually dislodged the joystick. There was a little spring mechanism I had to pop back in place and screw it back together. So that's what it looks like when it's that's the other side. That's what it should look like. So we're going to take those 2 screws off and resolder this piece back in place. If you have a helping hand, it'll help a lot because it'll pinch it in place, and then you can just solder those 3 points and flip it around and solder the other side. You can look up a soldering thing if you need to learn how to. So here it is back, all soldered back together. You just plug it back in that little socket right there. And then put those 2 screws back in. And then that about does it. It's pretty easy. It'll take about 5 to 10 minutes if you have a little bit of experience.